Let's see how to create realistic preview for stories. So here we are, and this is a frame that we will use here. Actually, we won't cover how to create it in details. If you see, there are a lot of different elements over here. There are Instagram usernames as tags, there are some elements of arrows, of some circle, of dots, of everything. And there are some components that I used here that you can change. So if you want, you can put your logo over here and your Instagram username. So this is a preview for Instagram, but it looks almost the same in Facebook with little differences. So as you see, there is a component over here. So as you see, there is a component over here, and you can change its name to whatever you want, and it will go to the preview. Your Insta name. Okay. And if you want, you can change a logo over here. You just have to find the logo square component and replace this image with something else. For example, I added another image and I make it visible. So from this point, this avocado goes to my story preview. So I think this is pretty simple. Now let's look how to use it. You just have to create a copy of your story banner. So we go here, and we have forgotten to name it and make it component. I name it Faber. I name it Phoebe. Okay, like this, and I make it component. I duplicate it and move it here. So I have to put this Instagram user interface above this banner to understand how will it look in real life. So for this, I will create a frame that will contain both this banner duplicate and this Instagram user interface. So I just frame this selection. So now I have a frame, and I can duplicate this thing and paste it into this frame. So now you see I have two layers over here. I just have to make them fit the size. Okay, like this. So now you see that this logo perfect sound doesn't look good here, and I don't think that there is a good place for this logo, this banner. Probably if we create a square version, we can put it somewhere here, or we can put it in the background, for example, something like this, but not here. Actually, let's put it at the background and see how will it look. Okay, I go to my stories banner and I delete this logo from here. Now let's make a copy of this logo. Actually, I need this image. I want to duplicate the component of logo. I will use image over here. Okay. I'll move it outside. And let's leave only this symbol. So I will cut this image like this and make it much bigger. Okay, and I put it into my okay, like this. Maybe I make it even bigger. So this is my logo, and probably I want a blur to be more visible. Okay, I will move this image to the right. Something like this. And I will add more blur over here. Let's set it to 30. Okay, I'm good with this 40. So as you see, we have added this component of a logo, and this looks in the same style with the logo, but we don't have to put it right in the banner because I don't think it will look good here. And let's see the preview. I think this is okay. So now you understand how to use this story preview, and you will know how your banners will look before you publish them to the Facebook ads interface.